Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Dell 22 series monitor, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable LCD conditional mode on this device. So firstly, open settings, then using one of the navigation buttons, scroll down to other. Here, click on the right arrow to open others item. Scroll down, find your LCD conditioning and click on the right arrow. And now you can enable or disable it. Here you'll see this message. This feature will help reduce monitor cases of image retention. Depending on the degree of image retention, the program may take some time to run. Do you wish to continue? If yes, you need to click on left arrow and click yes. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.